Is the Wuhan virus back? In recent weeks, several Asian countries have reported a surge in cases. This mainly includes Thailand, Singapore, and Hong Kong. They have reported tens of thousands of cases in recent days. Many people have lost their lives. Now governments are speeding up vaccinations and urging vigilance. What about India? Cases have seen a moderate rise in India as well. So should you be worried? What is behind this uptick of Wuhan virus cases in Asia? And 3 years after the pandemic, where does the global preparedness level stands? Here's a report.
The pandemic pushed the world indoors. Between 2020 and 2022, it killed millions of people. But is it making a comeback now? In Hong Kong, a new wave has begun. Infection rate has jumped from 1.7% in mid-March to 11.4%. In just the week ending May 3rd, 81 severe cases were reported, with 31 deaths. This is a one-year high for the country. Cases are surging in Thailand as well. Last week, more than 33,000 cases were reported, with at least 6,000 from Bangkok alone. The total has more than doubled from the week before. Meanwhile, Singapore is witnessing its first major spike in a year. More than 14,000 cases were reported in the week ending May 3rd, up from the week before. So why are cases rising again? Experts attribute the Wuhan virus resurgence to a range of factors, like waning immunity, fewer booster shots, and increased vulnerability among high-risk groups, like the elderly and unvaccinated children. Experts say that there are no dangerous new variants. The cases have been attributed to strains descending from the JN.1 variant. This was first found in August 2023. JN.1 has about 30 mutations. The most common ones are being found in the recent cases. And experts say that the current variants are not more severe or contagious than earlier ones. So while there is cause for concern, but no need to panic. After all, the Wuhan virus is not going away. It is evolving, making its return every now and then. So as health authorities are urging vigilance, governments are speeding up vaccinations. What about India? Cases have seen a slight uptick in recent days. Currently, there are at least 257 active cases. The highest number of cases come from the state of Kerala, followed by Maharashtra, where 2 deaths have been reported, and Tamil Nadu. India is closely monitoring the situation. After all, preparedness is key, and the world has made some progress in this area. After 3 years of negotiations, countries have adopted the pandemic agreement. They signed off at an annual meeting of the World Health Organization. This is only the second time in the WHO's history that an international agreement has been reached. The first was the tobacco control deal in 2003. Of course, the US is not part of this agreement, having withdrawn from the WHO after Donald Trump took office. This may dim the treaty's success, but this legally binding accord is a positive step. It requires countries to take steps to prevent, prepare for, and respond to pandemics, with rapid sharing of data on new diseases, and improved accessibility of vaccines, masks, and other crucial supplies across the globe. And for the first time, the WHO itself will have an overview of this, while execution on the ground could be another battle altogether. This accord comes at a crucial time as Wuhan virus persists and evolves. It is a tangible example of strengthening prevention, international collaboration, and taking lessons from the pandemic that changed the world as we knew it.
At First Post, we are choosing to hold on to accuracy. That means we won't always be first. We may not get you your breaking alert, but what you will get is what we owe you, and that is the truth. Verified, checked, and cross-checked. We rely on sources and verified ones. After all, that's what separates a journalist from a loudspeaker. But sometimes even we miss a beat, and when we do, we will tell you. Like yesterday, we ran visuals from a registered news agency. That visual turned out to be fake, so we are taking accountability. And from now on, we will cite the source of every visual, every picture, every video that you see on First Post will have a source mentioned. That is our commitment to you. We will wait, we will verify, we will ask again, and only then will we tell you. No noise, no panic, just the facts. Because right now, that is what the country needs most.